आज ही ओला डॉक ऐप डाउनलोड करें। ओला डॉक, डॉक्टर का अपॉइंटमेंट आसानी से।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Shireen Hameed Khan. I'm currently working at Medicare Aesthetics on Saidpur Road. Today our topic of discussion is the things to avoid using on your face. So the first thing I would like to tell patients to avoid using are antibacterial soaps. For example, common soaps that you get like Dettol, Safeguard, Lifebuoy should not be used on your face, as they can be damaging to the skin health and disrupt the skin barrier. Another thing that you should avoid using on your face is homemade substances. For example, homemade coffee scrubs, tomato juice, Besan, lemon juice, gram flour and stuff like that. Another thing that patients should avoid using are whitening creams. Whitening creams or mixed creams are readily available in the market and locally produced. They can be very damaging to the health as they contain mercury or steroid-like substances. Patients should also avoid using prescription creams, for example, antibiotic creams, antifungal creams or steroid creams, as they can be very damaging to your health. The last thing that I would like patients to not use are social media trends, for example, 10-step Korean skincare or any skincare that has excessive serums like AHAs, BHAs, salicylic acid, mandelic acid, lactic acid without consulting your doctors first. I would also like to add that patients should use skincare that is according to their skin type. For example, if they have dry skin, they should use moisturizing products, and if they have very oily skin, they should use products like salicylic acid or benzyl peroxide that will help level out and balance the oil. Patients should avoid using any type of prescription creams that is not prescribed by the doctor. For example, antibiotic creams and steroid creams are widely available and locally produced in the market that can cause excessive dryness, they can cause acne, they can cause pigmentation and can lead to even more serious health concerns. I am currently working at Medicare Aesthetics from Monday to Saturday 2 to 6 p.m. and we offer a wide range of procedures such as Botox, fillers, HIFU, mesotherapy, vampire facials and many lasers. If you would like to book a consultation, I am currently working at Medicare Aesthetics on Saidpur Road from 2 to 6 p.m. Monday to Saturday. We offer a wide range of lasers as well as vampire facial, mesotherapy, hair PRPs, Botox, fillers, threads and you name it. I would like to advise patients to not follow 10-step skincare routines and to follow the basics, which consists of a face wash or a cleanser, a moisturizer and a sunblock. All of these are supposed to be according to your skin type and should not be the opposite skin type. I would also like to add that we offer a wide range of procedures for acne and pigmentation, for example, microneedling with PRP, as well as chemical peels or CO2 laser. For hair loss, we offer hair PRP as well as exosomes, and for fat loss, we offer HIFU as well as fat dissolving injections and more. I would like to advise patients to follow a skincare routine that is catered to their exact skin type. The basic skincare routine consists of a face wash or cleanser, a moisturizer and a sunblock. All of these are supposed to be according to your skin type. There is no need to follow a 10-step skincare routine or social media trends.
पाकिस्तान के टॉप डॉक्टर्स के साथ अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करें, वो भी पेशेंट फीडबैक देखते हुए। आज ही ओला डॉक ऐप डाउनलोड करें। ओला डॉक, डॉक्टर का अपॉइंटमेंट आसानी से।